In this series, I'm going to be breaking down the fundamentals of different types of popular music. Now, when I'm saying popular music, I don't mean in jazz or classical or any of that nonsense. Breaking down music is a difficult and arrogant task when you consider that a note broken down to its fundamentals is just vibration in time. So why is it we decide that one vibration sounds good with another vibration? Why do we group these vibrations together? Why do we say these vibrations grouped together have a particular sound or feeling? Now, to be sure, there are definitely mathematical principles at play, unifying mathematical principles, unifying all things in creation, a kind of harmony, if you will. But are there some less esoteric ways of looking at this? Let's find out. Punk! I think punk's always existed in some way or another. Surely it's just people that aren't very good at their instruments, playing irreverently in front of an audience. Doubtlessly, some boozy 17th century minstrel playing terribly in front of a tavern full of pirates and comely wenches is about as punk as you can get. Punk, in a way, is an attitude. It's saying, I don't care about you or what you think. So how does this translate to this, to me, to my channel? And how does this translate to music, especially guitar music? Well, for me, it has to be loud, it has to be simple, it has to be aggressive. Lads, this is easy. Just turn up all the f***ing knobs. The discerning, a more modern punker might scoop out some of the mids, but if you want to keep it old school, you just have to turn it all up. Turning the gain and volume all the way up is probably going to give you some feedback problems. To combat this, you want to be palm muting all the way through your songs. Feel free to spit and stab your end to get that sound. Now, the average scale is 7 notes. These 7 notes are then used harmonically to create a mood. Well, all that is now bollocks. Just choose 2 to 5 of your favourite notes from the low E string. Add some bollocks called a 5th note to fatten up your 5 favourite notes. Play them in your 2nd favourite order for the verse, and then play them in your favourite order for the chorus. Now you're frigging in the rigging. If you are going to have to solo, just make sure you keep it in the pentatonic scale, in the 1st position, with a little bit of Chuck Berry thrown in for good measure. Just don't, whatever you do, put in any of that Brian May nonsense. Solo is 4 bars only. Any more than that, you're just trying to appeal to the ruling class scum. Bollocks! Don't end a song on a perfect cadence, or some bourgeois shit like that. When the singer stops singing, just play all the open strings and leave them ringing in a brutal combination of feedback and dissonance till the singer starts singing again. Now, any problems, please send all complaints to the Queen of England, possibly the world, Buckingham Palace, La-di-da Land, B011 OKS.